The steering wheel controls of the Audi Q4 e-tron provide convenient access to a variety of functions. On the left side of the steering wheel are vehicle technology controls. With a simple swipe gesture, left or right, you can view menus for car, audio, telephone, and navigation if equipped. Swiping up and down provides you all the options within a menu. Touch OK in the center to accept an option. If you prefer to advance one screen at a time, you can touch instead of swipe. Anytime you touch a button on the steering wheel, make sure you hear the haptic click so you know your selection has been accepted. Touching the View button will expand any menu option. Touching the View button again will return the virtual cockpit to either the e-tron screen with efficiency and range information, the classic cockpit screen, or the sport cockpit screen. The back button will return the virtual cockpit to a previous screen in any menu. On the right side of the steering wheel are the audio and heated steering wheel controls. You can switch between audio tracks or radio stations by swiping left or right. A simple swipe up and down adjusts the volume of your audio. To mute audio, touch the center button. This special button can be customized. Touch and hold the button to reveal the customizable options on the vehicle's touchscreen. Select an option from the touchscreen, and the button on the steering wheel is now set. When you need a little extra warmth, you can simply tap this button to activate your heated steering wheel.